Unity Software stock debuted at $52 a share in August 2020. Since then, the stock reached more than triple its IPO price before starting its journey downwards. Unity is a platform for creating interactive 2D and 3D content. The Unity platform provides a comprehensive portfolio of software solutions for developers to create and monetize 2D and 3D content for mobile phones, tablets, PCs, and consoles. The content created through the Unity platform can be deployed on more than 20 platforms, including Microsoft Windows, Apple's Mac, Nintendo Switch, and Sony's PlayStation. Hi, my name is Arshad Ahmed. I'm founder of DIYStockpicker.com. In this video, we will take a fundamental analysis and technical analysis of the Unity software stock. At the end, I'll be sharing a strategy that I'm planning to use, so please stay until the end of the video so you get all the details. Unity software generates revenues through subscription plans for its content generation tools. The company also generates revenues from in-app purchases and Unity ads. The company is mainly known for its video game developer tools, but part of the pitch when it went IPO was that its content development tools can be used for a wide variety of industries such as construction and automotive. The company had a great first quarter. Based on the results of the first quarter, the company said it can expect revenues of more than $1 billion for the fiscal year 2021. This is indeed a really big milestone for the company. Very few software companies pass this revenue so early in their life cycle. The company expects to grow its revenue at the rate of 30% every year. So let's take a look at the fundamental analysis of the company. Unity Software has a market cap of $29.6 billion. The 52-week price range for the stock has been between $65 and $175. When the company reached the peak stock price, that's when the treasury yields increased, because of which the growth stocks were hammered. If we take a look at the fundamentals of the company has a current ratio of 4.1, which is current assets divided by current liabilities. This is a very healthy number. We see that the debt to equity and debt to assets is zero, which means that the company has net zero debt. This is a very positive factor because in the future the interest rates are forecasted to increase, and then the company will not be in a disadvantaged positions to make debt payments at higher rates. If you look at the price to sales ratio, it is 35. This is a very generous number, so the company is overvalued fundamentally, and the price to book is 14.68. The company is not yet profitable. The gross margin is 76%. If you take a look at the balance sheet, in the first quarter of 2021, the company had cash of $1.1 billion on the balance sheet, and there is no long-term debt. Let's take a look at the income statement and the revenue growth. For the first quarter of 2021, the company had $234 million of revenue. This was a very good quarter and a 40% increase over the first quarter of 2020. Based on this, the company gave guidance of $1 billion revenue for the year 2021. If you look at the annual revenue growth has been a rate of 35 to 40%. Over the long term, the company expects to grow revenues at 30% rate. Let's look at the chart and do a technical analysis for the Unity software. This is the weekly chart and we are using an EMA of 9 for the weekly. Here's the RSI and the MACD. If you look at the price had reached the peak at $170 in 28th December, and since then the stock has been on a downward trend. The price started moving up at this point. The price has been posting consistently above the 9 EMA. For the past 7 weeks, the bulls have been having control of the stock price. If you look at the RSI, it is in the midpoint range and the MACD line is above the signal line. Let's take a look at the daily chart. For the daily chart, we are using a 22 EMA and the price has been posting consistently above the 22 EMA for the past 5 weeks. Each time, the 22 EMA has acted as a support. When the price comes and touches the 22 EMA, it bounces up. Right now, the price is at a critical point. We see that the stock has made a candle right at the 22 EMA, and this is a critical inflection point. The stock may gap up again and move upwards, or it may go below the 22 EMA. So for this strategy, we will use a stop loss just below the 22 EMA at around $102 or $103. The RSI again is close to the midpoint, but we see that the MACD line has slowly gone below the signal line. So this may signal a price reversal, but we'll have to wait and see. So this is the trade strategy I'm planning to use. Say I have a capital of $1,000. I plan to buy 9 shares of Unity at $103 per share, and I'll put a limit order for this. Right now the price is around $106. So the total cost would be $927 for 9 shares. I'll put a stop loss at $101. And these are the two places where I'll sell. If I get stopped out, or when the price reaches a resistance of $112 on the daily chart. We look at the price here, we see that there is some major resistance at this area of 110 to 112. So the price target is $112. Risk is $2 per share, and we have 9 shares, so the total risk is $18 on a capital of $1,000, which is less than 2%. And the reward is $9 per share. We have 9 shares, so the total reward is $81. So we have a risk to reward ratio of 1:4.5. Again, this video is only for information purposes, and this is not investment advice, but this is how I plan to play the Unity stock. I hope you like this video. I'll be releasing videos weekly on trade analysis. So please subscribe to my channel if you are new here and hit the like button. Thank you for your support.